Hello everyone, this is Teacher J. Excel in PSLE Maths. Question 10. Hamei paid $56 for 4 identical belts and 6 identical hair clips. So 4 identical belts and 6 identical hair clips costs Hamei $56. Each belt costs $5 more than each hair clip. So each hair clip, we assume that each hair clip costs X dollars and each belt may cost $5 more than X, which is X plus 5. And 4 belts, 4 times the sum of X and 5 plus 6X equals 56. I use correction type 56 and remove the brackets. 4x plus 20 plus 6x equals 56. 4x, 6x, 10x equals 56 minus 20, 36. So x equals 36 divided by 10, 3.6. The question is the cost of 1 hair clip, which is the value of x. So the cost of 1 hair clip, $3.60. The answer is $3.60. Alright, thanks for watching this video.